Yes. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am so excited for today because today I get to take in on trade the most expensive car of my 23-year career. I've already been to the store today because it's just, it's just me and my wife. I got to do everything at the store when it comes to having the cars ready for sale. So literally at sometime after 6 a.m. this morning, I'm there washing cars. All right, girls, you better go back in the house. We're gonna start the Corsa Performance C7. What are you doing out here? You're supposed to go in. See you later, Porky. Have a good day. And just like that, we are here. It's super nice because for the last 13 years, I was driving 30 plus minutes to work. Now I drive 3. And check out the inventory. The inventory is looking good. We still don't have the amount of cars that we want or need. We need about 30 cars here, but check out this 89 Cadillac DeVille. This thing literally has 39,000 miles on it. Absolutely insane. We currently lease this place, and I think we're gonna buy it because I don't want to get into like crazy debt to build this company. The very first order of when we buy this place is we are asphalting this gravel. I absolutely hate this gravel. And then what we're gonna do is cut out a line right here so that way we can get 6 more cars here. So that means we can get 18 cars here, here, and here. And then we're gonna gravel all of this right here where the C8s are, where the cars are right there, all the way down to that Mustang in the back. I mean, the dumpster in the back, and then asphalt all that. So we're gonna have all of this room for cars. And then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna cut out like enough room of the grass right here. So that way we can get 1 more car. So that's when I was saying 18 cars. We currently have 5 there. So if I got this right here, all cut out to about that guide wire for the pole right there, we're gonna be able to get 6 cars up here. And that's gonna make an amazing amount of room on this lot. Hello and welcome to the 2016 California T to the car lot. Check this bad boy out. This is absolutely awesome. My first Ferrari, and this is going to be the most expensive car that I've ever sold in the history of myself, right? And it's certainly the history of Mike's Car Store. This is a way to set this precedence off. And I got a little behind this morning because you guys know I was here washing the car. Well, we might already have somebody that is interested in the Cadillac. This thing is absolutely amazing. I'll tell you what, the yellow calipers and those star wheels, wow. And of course, you gotta love the carbon ceramic brakes. Now this car is coming to us already ceramic coated, I think within the last 6 months. I saw it getting ceramic coated and I inquired with the owner, like, what are you doing with this car? And he's like, well, I'm actually getting ready to sell it. So here it is. We have it. It also has K40 front and rear diffusers, 4 of them up here, 2 in the back. And let's pop this hood on this Ferrari. Look at that. Yes, 550 horsepower, 3.9 liter turbo V8. Absolutely beautiful. I did call these wheels star wheels earlier. They're really diamond wheels is the technical name for Ferrari. But wow, look at the interior of this and the steering wheel. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely sick. I've never driven a Ferrari before. I think the Huracan I had the start stop button down there, so the first time that I have done a start stop button here. But check out this carbon fiber wheel. This steering wheel is a $5,145 option on this car, and of course we just have the engine start. We got the suspension control here, windshield wipers, turn signals are here, and then turn signals there, and then the horn. That's not a Ferrari horn. No, that's not. We need a little bit different horn. And now I can't get the wipers off. Okay, and the car just started rolling on its own. All right, cool. We got it. Don't wreck the Ferrari on the first day. And of course, on this steering wheel, you've got to love that we have the rev lights right here. I absolutely love that. Never driven a car with these rev lights, so I think we're gonna have to go out and drive this bad boy just so that I can experience that. Love the steering wheel, love the flat bottom, love the stitching right here. I'm still triggered that that's an American horn, We need an Italian horn. And then coming over here, we got the turbo response gauge, which is really awesome. We're gonna have to get that turbo wind up. We got Navi, it looks like. I know we got backup camera, dual climate control, all that. And of course, you saw that it was a convertible as well. So I haven't punched this thing yet because I was kind of getting used to it on the drive back. But just like the Corvette, this has got a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. It's only got paddle shifters. I guess you can put it in auto, but what fun is that? All right, we got a little bit of a window here. There's Rich. There's Rich. And we're gonna take off. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Yes. I love this. Can I buy it, Mom? Mom, can I buy it? Mom? Mom? You're not answering me.
No,
hello?
I'm not answering.
Oh my God, that light. That's so much easier to see. I love the downshifts. Needs a different exhaust though. It's really weird on the turn signal because I wanted to like put a turn signal on and I'm like wanting to do this and like, oh, there's no turn signal there.
You make it very hard to keep the scanner steady.
Listen, you need to be a professional, okay?
I'm not.
Fair point.
To say that I'm excited to sell my very first Ferrari and the most expensive car in my career is a little bit of an understatement. I'm really excited to have this car in inventory and to have the challenge of selling something this big, because we want to get big to be able to sell all sorts of cars down the road. So to first start off, these yellow calipers, I mentioned those earlier in the show. That's probably one of my favorite features on this car. But unlike Corvette, those calipers are $1,517 from the factory. Now on the front of the car, there's what's called front grille with chromed edges. It's $1,687. I'm not a fan of chrome. Most people are not. But on this car, it actually looks really good. And then the carbon fiber steering wheel, we mentioned that, $5,415. I think it's worth it. If I bought this car brand new, I would option that steering wheel. If Chevrolet offered a steering wheel like this, you better believe it that I would be putting on it. By the way, Chevrolet, put that steering wheel on a Corvette, please. Maybe like the Z06 in 2024. And the Italians have always got the nice fine-tuned things. On those headrests is the Ferrari logo, the horse logo. That bad boy is $1,265, which is absolutely mind-blowing that a little stitching is that much money. And then we have the Ferrari Shields. These guys, right? These I thought that was standard equipment. No, $1,855 to get those shields. Absolutely amazing. The in and out electric mirror with HomeLink. So this car has HomeLink. All cars have HomeLink, right? This is a 2016. It was pretty standard back in 2016 on American cars. You want it in a Ferrari, $3,036 for that mirror. That's absolutely insane. Backup camera. It says parking camera, right? $3,712. Something that in 16 I think was supposed to be mandatory standard. And then the yellow Rev Counter, $775 on that. And these diamond wheels, $8,099. 100% worth it on those diamond wheels. And then there's something else on this car that's called special features. I guess it's just special because they don't tell me what it is. These are the most common scams you're gonna find at car dealerships. $834, and the colored special stitching on the car, I showed that earlier, $759. Two more notable features on this car that the previous customer put on and spent a ton of money. I know he spent at least $9,000 on this, is he paint corrected the entire car and ceramic coated it. And he also has a K40 front and rear laser diffuser on the car. So you can pretty much speed wherever you want and not get tickets. And Mrs. Chevy Dude guarantees it. So if you get a ticket, just contact Mrs. Chevy Dude and she'll pay it.